So this is the before the division slats, and then these are the after. Today we're going to show you how to create these in 3 hours under $100. And I'm also going to show you how to create nice accents, solid wood slatted walls while maintaining feng shui and balance from room to room. This is your home decor reno video.
What's up everybody? So if you've been following any of my reno videos, you learn how to do slats, wall slats like this.
So you grab our 8X and we do like a squiggle all the way up. This right on the bottom here, and then try to line it with the edge here. Take two of these pieces. We've cut one of these in half, and we put this next to it. And then we take this one and just bump right against it. And this will give us a nice straight line. We slide this all the way up, shoot it at the top.
And today I'm going to show you how to create a division in a room with the same concept. We're going to be using the same techniques that we've used there, minus the wallpaper, and I'm going to basically give you a step-by-step guide on how you can also create your own partition. We're going to be simple, straightforward design. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first thing you want to do is you want to measure off exactly how much you want as a room divider, and then we're going to go and pre-cut. We are using 6-inch knotty pine. You can get clear pine or oak, but honestly this is the most economical version, and the end result is going to look pretty much the same when you stain it. We're going to need the first piece, essentially going from the ceiling to the bottom. Now we stack these two together because this is going to act as the top and the bottom, so this just makes it kind of easy for us to do. And then essentially you just measure off piece and cut, piece and cut, piece and cut. We've already pre-cut all of our pieces. All that's left to do is stain it. We are using the Veritane wood stain. This is the dark walnut. Just go back and forth until it stains it. You could use 2 coats, but usually I just use 1. And you just kind of work that in. So we're gonna go and finish all these boards, and I'm gonna line them up.
We did not glue these in quite yet. These here are just placeholders to see how far out or far in we want them and how to divide the spaces of the slats themselves.
We don't want to go too far out because remember, this is just an aesthetics piece. It's not really functional. We could almost like put little shelving in here as well, but
we're pretty happy with the way this looks, so we're just going to start gluing and gradually these up. I'm going to grab my premium fast grab 8X and we're going to put some dabs. This is the tallest one, and this one is going to apply a lot of pressure on the bottom and on the top, so that's going to hold the top and the bottom in place. We are obviously going to be using brad nails, but we are going to get some PL in here as well. We are also going to be putting glue on the bottom piece as well. And we are going to still move this around before we shoot that in. Now let's go and take this piece and we're going to bring that up. Now we're gonna go get the last piece and make sure that's straight. Alright, so we've got the first post in, it's glued, lined up, and brad nailed. I have not shot that one into the ground yet. I did shoot that one, obviously, and that looks pretty good. Once you put this one and the outer one, the next one you want to do is you want to do the center one. That will make it a lot easier for you to get the next two equally spaced out. So what you do is you measure from the end here to here, and then you make a mark, and that's where your beam goes. So we already shot it and glued it, and now all we do is we measure from here to here, center that. So it took us a whole extra hour or so to add this in. So it definitely adds a nice sense of partition, and it's nice and clean, and now goes with those slats as well. And not only that, if we step into the hallway, we already added these slats in here as well. So now we have a continuation from this area into that area, and then we go into that area. So there's like a nice transition from room to room. So I'm definitely digging it. Nice and easy. Each one of those was $12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus glue, $100 basically to do this. And it only takes 3 hours. And of course we still have to finish this part up. We're going to put a beam on that. That's going to be enough for $35 or so. And then here's how these came out. And you can see that little accents like that make a world of difference in a room. And if you go back here, you can see how nicely this all turned out in here as well.
So nice transition from this side, then you see that, then you walk into the room, and then you see that, and then as you continue on, you see that. So nice accent featured walls, doing a transition while maintaining balance. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.